Hey, it's Anissa. I have a deal for all the people out there who hate to dust. I know I'm one of them, but with the Ultimate Dusting Kit, I love it, and it's never been easier. This is the most versatile kit I've ever used. It allows you to reach all the places that ordinary dusters just can't reach. Now, what makes this so handy is how customizable it is. It starts with the poles. You get 5 poles with each being 15 inches long. So you put them together and you can go from 15 inches all the way up to 6 feet. And that's before you add on the attachments. With the long duster, you can reach over 7 feet high. Now, this is a full kit that will allow you to clean everything, starting with the 21-inch microfiber duster. This is great for cleaning just about everything, but wait, it bends, so you can get in all those awkward places like ledges, on top of your ceiling fan, or you can bend this in a semicircle so you can easily dust around poles and columns. Next, we have the cobweb tool. Now, the bristles are a bit stiffer, so this is great for cobwebs, spider webs, anything that you need to kind of scrub and dust at the same time. This is the tool for it. Now, my favorite tool is the large surface duster. This will get into any nook and cranny, and again, it's made of microfiber. It's going to grab and lock in the dust. Plus, this one is also bendable. The secret is it has thousands of strands that clean at the microscopic level. With this kit, you'll be able to dust long forgotten spots. Just look at this air intake vent. It's 15 feet in the air, and before this duster, unreachable. This 20-year-old grime looks more like insulation than dust. That can't be healthy to breathe in. Another handy accessory is the adjustable angle attachment. Now, you can choose to use the attachments directly on the pole or through the angular attachment. And this will give you up to a 90-degree swivel, allowing you to get into even more places. Oh, I almost forgot. It also comes with a hanger hook. Now, this will screw into any of the attachments, allowing you to use it handheld or hanging up your favorite duster so it's always ready to use. Now, this is an impressive kit, but what's even more impressive is our super low price. Now, similar kits can cost $40 or more, but you're not gonna pay anywhere near that. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to Pulse TV and grab your amazing kit today.